Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Oppo A17 does have the stereo speakers. And to do this we'll need to locate all of the speakers on this device, and the first one is a phone call speaker right here on top of your screen. Next one is at the bottom right here, and that's basically all of the speakers. Now to determine if they are stereo, we'll need to play some music, cover each of them with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming from only one source, that's a mono speaker. Let's try that. So clearly sound is coming from a bottom speaker only, and that would mean this device doesn't have the stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.